Have you ever wondered which cities in Brazil are the absolute must-visits? Whether you're seeking vibrant nightlife, stunning beaches, or rich cultural experiences, Brazil offers a diverse range of cities that cater to every traveler's desires. In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 cities to visit in Brazil. Stay tuned to discover which city tops the list. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration. Number 5. Recife. Recife, the capital of Pernambuco, is often called the Venice of Brazil due to its many waterways and bridges. This city is a fascinating blend of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural beauty. Visitors can explore the historic neighborhood of Recife Antigo, where colonial buildings stand alongside modern structures, and enjoy the lively nightlife that includes numerous bars, clubs, and cultural events. For beach lovers, Boa Viagem Beach offers miles of white sand and clear waters, perfect for swimming and sunbathing. The best time to visit Recife is during the dry season, from September to March when the weather is warm and sunny. Don't miss the annual Carnival celebrations, which are among the most colorful and exciting in Brazil. Number 4. Brasilia. Brasilia, the capital of Brazil, is renowned for its unique modernist architecture and urban planning. Designed by the famous architect Oscar Niemeyer, the city's layout resembles an airplane from above. Key landmarks include the National Congress, the Cathedral of Brasilia, and the Palácio da Alvorada, each showcasing Niemeyer's distinctive style. Visitors can explore the various museums and cultural institutions, such as the National Museum of the Republic and the Memorial JK. The best time to visit Brasilia is during the dry season, from May to September, when you can comfortably explore the city's outdoor spaces and parks. Brasilia offers a unique insight into Brazil's political heart and architectural innovation. Number 3. Salvador. Salvador, the capital of Bahia, is known for its Afro-Brazilian culture, colonial architecture, and vibrant music scene. The historic center, Pelourinho, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with colorful buildings, churches, and cobblestone streets. The city is also famous for its lively festivals, especially the annual Carnival, which rivals that of Rio de Janeiro in size and enthusiasm. Visitors can enjoy the beautiful beaches, such as Porto de Barra and Flamengo Beach, and indulge in the local cuisine, which includes dishes like acarajé and maquica. The best time to visit Salvador is from December to March, during the summer season when the weather is warm and festive events are in full swing. Number 2. São Paulo. São Paulo, the largest city in Brazil, is a bustling metropolis known for its cultural diversity, gastronomy, and vibrant arts scene. The city boasts numerous museums, including the São Paulo Museum of Art, MASP, and the Museum of the Portuguese Language. Avenida Paulista, the city's main thoroughfare, is lined with cultural institutions, shopping centers, and skyscrapers. Visitors can also explore the trendy neighborhoods of Vila Madalena and Pinheiros, known for their street art, bars, and restaurants. The best time to visit São Paulo is during the spring, September to November, and autumn, March to May, when the weather is mild. São Paulo offers an unparalleled urban experience with endless entertainment options. Number 1. Rio de Janeiro. Topping our list is Rio de Janeiro, the most iconic city in Brazil. Known for its breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and world-famous landmarks, Rio is a must-visit for any traveler. The city is home to the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue, Sugarloaf Mountain, and the sprawling Copacabana and Ipanema beaches. Visitors can also experience the electrifying atmosphere of Rio's Carnival, the largest in the world, with its samba parades and street parties. The best time to visit Rio is from December to March, during the summer season when the city's energy is at its peak. Rio de Janeiro offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and cultural richness, making it the ultimate Brazilian destination. Brazil is a country of immense beauty and cultural diversity, offering a variety of cities that cater to every traveler's interests. From the modernist marvel of Brasilia to the vibrant energy of Rio de Janeiro, each city has its unique charm and attractions. Have you visited any of these cities? What was your favorite experience? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest travel guides and tips. Happy travels!